BodySpace full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the program and related products are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. BodySpace, developed by bodybuilding.com, is a fitness app designed for those serious about strength training, muscle building, and overall fitness tracking. It combines structured workout programs with a social fitness platform, allowing users to follow expert-designed routines while connecting with a community of like-minded individuals. The app offers a wide range of training plans, from beginner to advanced levels, covering bodybuilding, powerlifting, weight loss, and general fitness. Users can log workouts, track progress, and adjust plans based on their goals. One of BodySpace's biggest strengths is its extensive library of workout programs. The app provides professionally designed routines from top fitness coaches and athletes, eliminating the guesswork in structuring a program. Whether you're looking to build muscle, increase strength, or improve endurance, there's a plan tailored to your needs. Another major advantage is the progress tracking feature. Users can log sets, reps, and weights, allowing them to monitor their improvements over time and stay accountable. The social aspect is another key feature. Unlike many fitness apps that focus solely on workouts, BodySpace functions like a fitness-based social network. Users can interact, share progress, follow other fitness enthusiasts, and even get motivation from community challenges. This makes it an excellent option for those who benefit from group support and accountability. Additionally, the app integrates with bodybuilding.com's extensive database of exercise tutorials, providing detailed guidance on proper form and technique. However, there are a few downsides. The interface, while functional, can feel outdated compared to newer fitness apps. Some users also report occasional glitches when logging workouts. While BodySpace offers many free features, some advanced training plans and content require a paid subscription. Additionally, the app is primarily designed for gym-based workouts, meaning it may not be ideal for those who prefer bodyweight exercises or home fitness routines. Overall, BodySpace is an excellent choice for those serious about weightlifting and structured training programs. It's best for individuals who want expert guidance, progress tracking, and a strong fitness community to stay motivated. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to get started.